Hi guys, welcome to my channel guys. So good to have you here. Today we're going to be creating a photo frame from used A4 paper, and this project is really easy and inexpensive. So with me I have my used A4 paper, my top bone, and scissors, I guess. Yeah, scissors, and then biro for marking and tape for measurement. So the first process is to glue the papers together to a desirable weight. For this project I was gluing 4 together and just put them aside. Basically I'm doing this because I need it to be a little thicker, and then I had to join some from the other part because a frame I'm making is gonna be about this length. But if you're gonna have something longer, you just keep gluing it together, like I can have 2 together, I can have 3 together, depending on the length you want to use. So for this I was just okay with using 1.5 for one length because it's going to be a rectangle. I don't need all sides to be like this. So I basically take my measurement. It was 1.5 inches. I made sure I measured that so my project will come out evenly, and then folding them together using the same size and put it away to dry. If you're gonna be doing this, make sure you fold them out while they're still a little wet, because if it dries it makes your folding very difficult. It's better to fold them while it's still a little damp but not very wet, and make sure that you secure it very well. You secure the end very well to give you a good finishing. Here we are, we have all of it, and I have my cardboard. I draw the size of my photo that is going to come up here, and then I take my measurement of the paper that is already folded, cut them to size. Pay attention to how I'm cutting this edge if you want to join them like this, but overall there's the other way you can join it, but I just feel like this way is really very easy and unique. It makes it comes out well, right? Okay, so I just cut at this angle at the edge and join it together. I'm just basically going to show you how it's done. So here it is. You cut at that angle, you cut at this angle. You basically do all 4 like this, join them together. It gives you joining neat finishing and comes out really smooth. And then after cutting, I'm going to show you how I'll be wrapping it with tape. If you're frequent with my other DIY videos, you probably have seen how I wrap paper out with um, a ribbon before, and I basically just use a waterproof ribbon to make sure that it seals my paper from dampness or whatever might come on it. So this is how I'm going to wrap it up after cutting all of them. I'll find a way to make sure that I wrap into that angle to come out really nice, so my joints won't have to show the white part of the paper. Okay, so it was time for me to glue this little strand of ribbon. This is like a ribbon, not really ribbon like the other one. I got it from a tailoring shop. So the work of this is basically to cover a little edges that your photo frame might not really or might not properly size into the space. So instead of your cardboard showing, it's going to be this that will be showing. So that's just the trick there. If you're not too sure, or even if you're too sure of your size, I still advise you do that. So if you have a little thing remaining, it's not going to be obvious. So I'm just showing you how I'm going to be joining this using hot glue, and after joining them together, I'm going to use this to go on the edges to give me a nice finishing. Here it is. I also joined the cardboard on the edges to make sure the edges wasn't showing. Yeah, I join it nicely. I join the edges together using this, and then for the back of the cardboard, yeah, okay, I also have this little photo frame I created myself using a foam board, and it came out really nice. If you're interested to see how I cut out little pieces like this and just put together to come out beautiful, please let me know in the comment section. And guys, please give this video a thumbs up, because I go through a lot to create this video. Just a thumbs up will be perfect for me. Thank you. All right, so done with this, you find a way to fix your frame inside. And if your frame is, I advise that you don't make it too small, because if it's too small, there's not going to be remedy for fixing your frame. It's rather should be a little more space. So if you cannot fix it like this, you can as well use glue to hold it. But in my case, my frame was perfect, the size was perfect, so I didn't need no glue. Everything was just perfect. And then you have to make a way to hang it behind. For the behind, if you want it to be thicker, you can double your cardboard. Okay guys, so we have our frame here looking really nice and cool. I'm sorry, when I have our next project on wall pieces, I'll show you how to fix it behind. All right, here we are, another project I made earlier. I'm sorry that I don't have clips for this. Those are papers. The one I'm touching are the papers. I folded them two thick ones. Basically wanted the lines at the middle, that was why I did it two. And then those lines going in between, I use hot glue to put those lines you're seeing there as a design. And after that, use silver spray paint. Don't laugh at my picture in the middle. We just had to do something to sample this, right? Okay, so this looks nicely. If you perhaps want to see how I create little things like this, what I have in the middle, please drop your comment below. I'll be sure to make a video about that. Otherwise, thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a comment, whatever, to just show a little effort for what I'm doing. That is appreciated. Thank you guys, and see you all in my next video.